What's up everyone, I'm just Kiribo and welcome back to my channel. So I'll be trying this lines, I don't know how they're called, no, feeding cornrows because tunaenda tukiongeza nywele for the first time. I've watched several tutorials, so I hope that this will go well. Without further ado, let's get started. Things I'm using are on this seat. My mirror is on this side, so I'll be looking on this side pretty often. So I bought one packet of braiding hair. It's long, number 2. I hope one will be enough. I'll be using this nice and lovely oil, I guess so. I have this comb, I have this I guess I should take my Airtel comb, the one with the metal. Then I have my scissors. The most important bit of this style is getting your parts right, and parting hair is a hassle. Parting hair is a sport, and it took me so long and I still didn't get the parts right. Look, my goodness. We don't give up, we're relentless. And so I divided my hair into 2 down the middle. Then I had 2 halves. In the 2 halves, I divided them into other halves. So I had quarters, and the quarters I divided into 2, which made
1 hour later.
8. You get it?
You get it?
Okay.
If you don't get it, forget about it.
What I was trying to do is achieve the stitch cornrow effect. I don't know if that's the name, but obviously it didn't work. So we tried this again. This was hard. I thought nilikuwa najua kitu nafanya. I thought I knew what I was doing. I was in for a surprise. Let's try adding hair. I thought I did it right. Look at it hanging. It was looking at me like, girl, what you doing? What you doing? You see me? We're relentless. We try again. And then after a tutorial, we made it. First line is up the victory dance. No stress, no struggle. I got this. We were still struggling, but it was an improvement. There we go. Girl, you got this. You got this. embarrass me. Don't. What? I'm a pro. There we go. We're cruising nicely. So I went ahead and did the rest of the lines off camera because, you know.
Precious God, I've seen beauty before, but this is a discovery. Who is this damsel? Jesus, don't let this girl go. Go after.
Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.